Tutor! Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start! We can run fast. Again, we can run fast. Your turn to read, children. My friend is kind. Again, my friend is kind. Your turn to read, children. She can sing and dance. Again, she can sing and dance. Your turn to read, children. The frog can jump. Again, the frog can jump. Your turn to read, children. The baby is sad. Again, the baby is sad. Your turn to read, children. The ball is blue. Again, the ball is blue. Your turn to read, children. The tree is tall. Again, the tree is tall. Your turn to read, children. We like ice cream. Again, we like ice cream. Your turn to read, children. Dad is in the car. Again, Dad is in the car. Your turn to read, children. The sun is hot. Again, the sun is hot. Your turn to read, children. I can read a book. Again, I can read a book. Your turn to read, children. We play at school. Again, we play at school. Your turn to read, children. We ate pizza for dinner. Again, we ate pizza for dinner. Your turn to read, children. Mama made a yummy soup. Again, Mama made a yummy soup. Your turn to read, children. The bird can fly. Again, the bird can fly. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. We can run fast. My friend is kind. She can sing and dance. The frog can jump. The baby is sad. The ball is blue. The tree is tall. We like ice cream. Dad is in the car. The sun is hot. I can read a book. We play at school. And we ate pizza for dinner. Mama made a yummy soup. The bird can fly. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lesson. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.